Oh yeah, it was. It was actually on your actual birthday when we
Exactly.
got it. I
was
totally
actually on my
forgot
bir-
about
It
that.
was. I did
Again,
not
I'm a really
forget.
good wife, I promise too.
That's the color I was talking about, right?
Look at the Europe. Cool. So it actually all started with the TV commercial. Watching TV one night, I saw the new XC90, and after having a newborn baby in the car we were in, it was just too small, and so I convinced Jonathan that we needed to get an SUV.
I think designing our own car was perfect for us.
We really liked it to make it fit our family's needs. We're not the type to buy off the rack or go to a car dealership and pick what's already designed for us. Like, we're very particular with what we like, and it was a fun process to do together.
Believe it or not, you know, one of the things that we heard about the overseas delivery process was that you have to wait for it to come. And I think that one of the things when you're in a product that you really like, you're willing to wait for something that's going to be perfect for you. There's a unique kind of culture within Gothenburg. Like, Volvo has a real presence, and it felt like Volvo was uniquely connected to the city in a way where it felt like, you know, they shared a home. We did a little research before we left, you know, and I think that I was really excited to have some of the seafood. Was also really excited to see, you know, a lot of the design culture and aesthetic from just, you know, Northern Europe.
Just from a design standpoint, just the architecture and the way the city was planned, we, like Stockholm specifically, like, we loved it.
Never been to Sweden before, been quite a bit in Europe, but I think never really got the chance to go to Sweden. So it was really amazing to be able to see Volvo and then to be able to see a large portion of Sweden. There was a different experience than what we've ever taken before because we felt like we were at home in our vehicle. I think this was the best family adventure of a lifetime that we've ever had.
And I'll say when we were standing there and it came through the showroom door, the first thing I thought was, yes, we did good. That's what I thought.